Okay, so we're going to have a little look at layouts that are over here. You might need to expand them to use them. Now, if you click on them, they just arrive on your screen, page, should I say. So you can choose them, use them, or not use them. It's whatever makes life easier for you and how you want your website to look. So once you've got them, it's fairly self-explanatory that you can, say, upload an image and go straight in here. I might be able to move it around a bit, maybe not so much. So in some respects, you've got less control, or if you go like that, you've altered your layout. So maybe it doesn't look so good. You can go Control Z. The thing you've got here is the crop editor, so you can actually crop that if you so choose. So there and a little bit. Over to there and click tick. And I've got just the information I need. So you can play around because it still looks pretty. I think that's probably enough. It's already got the right fonts for you, and so it makes it a lot easier. Here, of course, we push plus, so we can add from our drive, select the image you want to upload. So if we upload it, then we've got the one in here. Okay, enough. Not such a pretty look here. If you actually haven't loaded the